welcome back to my YouTube channel. AMOURMILLIE here. If you're new, welcome. Hopefully you'll stick around. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also click the notification bell so that you get notified anytime I post a new video. So today's video is gonna be a little different. We're gonna pack lashes together. I'm excited to show y'all. I know I promised to give you guys a tour, and this is it. So let's get right into it. So this is my warehouse. So these are lashes. These ones here are lashes, and then I have the boxes that I sell here, and then I have more lashes at the bottom. And then if you go here, there are more lashes here from the top. These are plastic trays for the lashes at the top there. These ones here. These are lashes. These are lashes. All of these are lashes. So there's some of them are in the boxes, and then once I finish the ones in the bins, the plastic bins here, I will refill them. So that's one side, and then I have this side as well. These are all lashes. These are here close to my table, my packing table, because these are my bestseller, I guess I should call it. These ones here, the X series and the 30 and the 100 series, those are my bestseller. Yeah, so those are it. Let me move back small so that you can see the full setup. So this is it here. Yeah, this is it here. Just got a notification that my lashes arrived at the DHL depot, so I'm gonna rush and go grab them before I come and start packing. I don't want them to deliver it late, so. Yay, so there's no one here, thank God. So I'm just gonna rush, get it, and we head on home. So here is the package that I just picked up. So the ones on top are all free. So she gives me, well, my vendor gives me a whole bunch of samples. And what I usually do with them is I give them to my customers. Most of the time, my return customers, I give them to them, and they can sell it or do whatever they please with them, but I usually give them away as well. I don't sell them, and when I give it to them, they give me a feedback. If they like it, then I add them to my collection and I start selling them. So it's like they're reviewing them for me, I guess I should say. So yeah, those are it. So we're gonna start. So just finished washing my hands and sanitizing, so we're gonna start. I don't print my orders. I look on my phone because we want to save paper. So this order here, it was 30 pairs. So because there are 10 different styles, we're gonna pick 3 from each style, and that will make it 30. So that's what we're doing, and we will pack them in our box. So yeah, I have to also check to make sure that I'm picking the correct style number, because you can mix them up when you're unpacking from the shipment. So you have to make sure the numbers you're giving them are correct. And that's what we're doing. So once I'm done this, I will put a wrapping paper on top of it to kind of give it some kind of, you know, to make it look nice anyways. So yeah, that's what I did, and I'm taping it, and then I will put the label. I get the label envelopes from DHL, so I stick it in or put it in and I stick it on top of the box, and that's about it. And that's how I pack. So we're gonna go on to the next order, and for that one it was 40 pairs, so we're gonna do 4 pairs each, and same deal, pack them in the box, and off we go. So yeah, it's pretty easy. Once I pack, or once I have my stock in the bins, it's really easy to start packing and make it go fast. I'm still working with time here because I still have to get all my shipment ready by 2 p.m. That's when the DHL driver will come pick them up. So I'm still working with time. If he comes and I'm not done, I will give them whatever is ready, and I have to go back to the DHL depot to drop them off before 5 p.m. because the flight leaves at, I think, around 5:15, around that time. I'm not sure what the exact time is, but it leaves around that time. So yeah, that's how we pack. I make sure that everything is accurate in there. Mistakes do happen, but we try to minimize mistakes because if you get a mistake, you get a bad review. We do not want that. We want to keep our customers happy. So that's the next one. Then I go back on my phone and I check again, and I keep going. So I got a question about how to price wholesale, or how I price my wholesale lashes. It's a very tricky question because when you're pricing, you're thinking about the customer. The customer will also have to be able to sell to make a profit, to be able to live off from it, or to have a decent living from this. So I think about all of that because I care about my customers so much. So I don't overprice my lashes, but I always make sure that it's not too much. If let's say they're buying it from the factory or from the other vendors, maybe outside of North America. If let's say they're buying it from China or Alibaba, I want the price to be very close or even the same, because when I'm buying it in bulk. I'm not buying 100 pairs like my customers will buy from me. I'm buying 2,000 pairs. I'm buying 5,000 pairs. So my pricing will be different from my customers' pricing if they were to buy it from Alibaba. So I still am able to sell it very close to what they will buy it from China or from Alibaba. So you have to think about all of that. You have to make sure your customer is in mind when you're pricing. Don't be greedy, but don't also be too cheap that you're not able to make a living from it. And that's my only advice, or that's how I do mine, and that's about it. If you have any questions, maybe what I said is not clear, definitely leave a comment below and I can talk about it more. But there is no formula to it. Some people, they want to make 50% profit. Some people want to make 100% profit. Some want to make 35% profit. So yeah, Mondays are really busy, so I'm gonna stop recording here, but here are the orders that we did for today. And so thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.